here for $1.50 is a soda.
Soda?
Yeah.
That's not really food, though, is it?
You only have $1.50?
Well, let's not knock it. I mean, that's a pretty good. That's 6 quarters.
Yeah, well, I'm not denying that. I'm just saying you can't really.
Sailing on the cool and bright clear water.
Pull the icing out.
No, but you
Okay.
can't really do too much for $1.50.
Well, Totino's party pizzas, those are $1.50. So actually, I could get a whole pizza.
Hold on. Let me.
You can't get much for $1.50, but you can get a whole, crispy, delicious Totino's Party Pizza.
This is Janet's dream kitchen. She's getting it a low introductory rate from Fifth Third Bank. It has stainless steel appliances, and a pro football player is